we've got this absolutely incredible chopping board here. Now, I'm going to use this to show you for example, but I'm just going to pop this off. So this wooden chopping board here is created for chopping meat. So we've got all these little ridges and bits and pits here, and what that does when you put something on it, look, I'm trying to turn that, and it's not turning, because what's happening is that these little studs, if you like, are holding that into position. So I cannot. I'm literally using all my strength there. You can see it's ripping. I cannot turn it, and it's gripped it like that. And then we've also got this little bit here, which is just another thing if you needed to pop the meat on it as well. But yeah, that goes on like that, and then you put the meat in the middle of that, and it just holds it all into place. And the joys are, is when you're cutting this with a knife, all of the fat and drippings comes out, and it follows this line around. So basically, again, let's take an example. So on there, they've got a slab of, I believe that's beef. But if you just got a chicken out of like the Tower air fryer, and you popped it down onto here, you can leave it to rest. So it'll be slightly lifted off. And as you're leaving it to rest, all of the juices will flow out down here because it's slightly lipped. It'll follow around there, it goes out, and all of this, it will follow down and it will just fill this area up instead of just sitting on the chicken. So when you leave meat to rest, this really does bring it to the next level. And again, it's really solid. It's a good material all the way around. It's got extra grip here, like that, and that's just obviously where these go through it on that side. But it's really light. It's really convenient. It's solid. You know, it's not going to go anywhere. If I try and smack it, you know, if you've got like a mallet on it or anything like that, it's not going to get damaged. But it's a really good product, and I've been using. This is a new one, but I've had one of these which I needed to get rid of, which I've used for all ranges of different types of meat, and it works exactly like it shows you on the picture. It's a really solid, sturdy, incredible product.